Good people, welcome back to the channel.
Seeing is believing. Hey man. Hey nah. Hey. Buddha boss. I need the government tender. Kona cool box.
Cheki, nifungulie. Fungulie tail get up. Ngoja. Ngoja alafu nifinyie.
There's some things I want in my life. This is one of them. Hata sitaki wasichana warembo weupe wa Ukambani. Afadhali ni nyinyi wasichana wa Ukambani wote, wale weupe nipewe hii.
Boss, finya hiyo button. Utanifinyia?
Unagari ukiendesha hata huwezi finja. Really nice.
Good people, welcome back to the channel once again. Today we have a very premium SUV here in Kenya that I wanted to show you guys today, and shout out to L Motors Limited for allowing us to shoot a video of this car from their yard. As you can see there, this is L Motors Limited. Now I'll take a few minutes, show you the exterior of this car. I'll also show you the interior of this car. I'll tell you some of the specs of these units, and at the end of the day you'll also get to see the price of this Range Rover, so that if your things are going as planned, and if by the end of the day you like it, maybe you can come and purchase it from L Motors Limited. So I'll tell you the price at the end of the video, so make sure you watch this video to the end, and I'll tell you the price. And also do not forget to subscribe, so that each and every time we post videos of awesome cars like these ones here, you'll be the first one to watch. Now this is a 2019 Range Rover SVR. It is the sports version, the supercharged version of the regular Range Rover. Now this car has a 5-liter V8 engine, which is supercharged, of course. It gives you 423 horsepower and 500 Newton meters of torque.